Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus like tabula ads or other like that things from your DOOGEE X95. So at the start, if you see something like that, the spamming pop-ups when you're trying to visit any site or something like that in your notification bar, that means you have a notification virus, and you can try to remove it by two ways: by the system settings and by the Antivirus app. So I'm gonna start from the first way, the settings. Now look for the apps and choose CL apps. Now just check all of the apps on this list. If you see something strange, the app that you have not installed before by yourself, the unwanted app, just tap on it, choose uninstall and click OK. After that, in the second step, go back to the apps and look for your web browser. Now choose storage and cache. I'm not sure why I can't clear the storage and cache, but in this step, just tap on the clear storage and that's it. Your web browser should be free from notification virus. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can try to remove it by the antivirus app. So I'm always using the Avast. You can download any other app from the Play Store, but remember to choose the trusted company. Now choose continue with free, continuous free, and start scan. Add the permissions to the files. And now the scanning process has been begun, and after that all of the unwanted software, the viruses, malwares should be deleted. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.